y'all, it's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? So today I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this makeup look in 10 minutes. Okay, some of you guys have to go to work, school, you're in a rush to go somewhere, and you want to be more efficient with your time and getting your makeup done. So we're going to show you guys how to achieve that natural beauty glam in a short period of time. All right, so in this video I'm not using crazy products. I'm keeping it very simplistic, very beginner friendly, and you know, POC friendly as well. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Join the family and just do it like Nike. Up your dose of Team Stacy and add me on all my social networks. You're gonna love this video, so go ahead and just like the video already and stay tuned to the end of the video. I want to start seeing who's actually watching my videos all the way through. So there's gonna be a secret emoji at the end of this video, and I want to know if you are watching towards the end. I love you guys so much, and let's just go ahead and just get started with this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil and I'm going to do my brows. Now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but you guys can use any eyebrow pencil. I love the ones from the hair store, Walgreens, all of that. Any eyebrow pencil. I'm using dark brown. All the information will be linked down below in the description box. Also, I am working on the angle in my studio right now. There's a lot going on, so the angle's a little off. Just bear with me. You guys still kind of can, you know, see what I'm doing here. But I'm just filling in my brows. Now, if you guys do want an in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, very natural, very easy, you know, to achieve, go ahead and just comment that down below, and I got you. Alrighty, so now after I filled in my brows, I'm just going to take the spoolie in and just brush that through so you have this natural, you know, kind of brow look. So now with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, this is in pure beige, I believe. It will be linked down below if I made a mistake, but I'm going to go ahead and just carve out my brows, making it look more sharp, clean, and as if I got them done. Y'all, my brows are so thin, as you guys seen in the first clip. I do not get my brows done. Like, I just let them be. Alright, so after our brows are carved out, we're just going to go ahead and quickly blend this out. The thing about this is you want to be nice, strategic, and neat, but very swift while you're at it. So instead of taking my time and lightly blending, I'm going very quickly because we're pressed for time. So now I'm just going to moisturize my skin. It does not matter how much time you have, you need to prep your skin because there's no point doing your makeup for it to just look horrible because you did it quickly. You feel me? So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime. You guys know my favorite primer if you are a family to this channel. I use the NYX Hydra primer, and then I'm gonna go on with my favorite foundation. If you are subscribed to the channel, you know that as well, my Fenty foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use one pump, but as you guys seen, I rubbed it into my kind of hand, warmed it up, and then I put the foundation directly to my problem areas. I have a lot of like kind of discoloration on my cheeks, my chin, and then I spread the rest all over my face, and I use one layer so it looks very thin. Also, because I have combination skin, I go for a hydrating foundation because it looks more natural, but if you have oily skin, you can opt out for matte. Also, I'm taking a very inexpensive beauty blender. This is the cheap triangle ones. It's like $1 for like 20 of them. I love them, but if you're pressed for time, I do advise getting a bigger beauty blender. And then here I'm going back in with the same concealer, and we are just going to go ahead and conceal under our eyes. We're not doing a full face today, so we're only going to conceal their dark spots, but we're not going to do like the T-zone, the nose, all of that. We don't need all that extra product for, you know, what we're doing today, especially because we're pressed for time. But like I said earlier, definitely either using a brush or a bigger beauty blender will help with the speed of blending, you know, instead of using something so small. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Maybelline to Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, and this is in color 20, and I'm just going to go ahead and set under my eyes. And actually, now that I think about it, I'm not quite sure why I set like my chin and all that as if I put concealer there, because I didn't. But yeah, just set all over my face, making sure everything sits where it's supposed to. And then I don't like to bake, I do like to just set, so it's up to you, to each his own. All right, and like I said, if you are OG, you guys know this is my favorite contour palette, the True Radiance, or no, Black Radiance contour palette. And I'm just going to warm up my skin and give my face a little bit more dimension. And also, if you guys notice, I was missing for a little week on my channel. If you guys are not following me on social media, you definitely should, because I did let you guys know that the reason why I was MIA for a little bit was just due to the fact that my external hard drive broke, and all the footage, all the vlogs, all the tutorials that I pre-recorded for you guys, I lost all of it. So I had to start back from scratch. So that's why it took me a little bit of time to get it back together, but I'm back. We're back to 3 times a week and we're lit. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm just gonna put blush on my cheeks, just giving me a nice, you know, cute, fun, flirty look. This is definitely optional. Then I'm going to take some highlighter and we're just going to naturally highlight. I didn't OD it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter because I just really want this look to be natural and nothing OD. And then also don't forget to highlight your brow bones if you are going to be highlighting. And next up, I'm going to go ahead and take my Lots of Lash mascara. If you know how to put lashes on, then good. But if you don't, I do have a tutorial that I will link down below on how to apply some lashes. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the video, and today I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved this particular makeup look in 10 minutes. Very natural, very soft, a breath of fresh air. And yeah, if you guys are feeling this look, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment down below. I want to know if you made it all the way to the end of my video. If you did make it all the way to the end of the video, do you mind dropping a black heart emoji? And that just lets me know that you guys made it to the end of the video. So today's secret emoji is going to be a black heart. But anyways, besides that, like I said, that is the end of this video. If you guys want more content like this, just let me know and I'll get that to you guys. I love you guys so much, and bye guys.